Welcome back to the survival exercise Pit of Death. Today we're going to be testing out this lightning style build for range. I discovered it a few days ago. Well, it's not so much I discovered it. I already knew the build with the lightning shuriken net and the Kamoe carry. But it's the lightning release ninja tool that just came out that I really want to showcase today, because it's a fun build and it's still really good, in my opinion anyway. Oh, was that a bit of lag? Or is that guy dodging like a god? Alright. If you were to hit someone collectively with all of the jutsu at once, it does take a lot of their health down. Particularly with the fact that the majority of the people you'll be fighting are ranged. This guy is lagging. So... oh dear. That build for came with adult Naruto is still a problem, no matter what. It's just, it'll probably always be a problem for the rest of this game's life. I do believe I was blocking, but pretty sure they smashed through it with a heavy strike maybe. I'm only using kunai, none of the weapons I'm used to, but... alright, let's try and tag someone with shuriken net. Then this, and then finish them off with the right carry, or get close to it. It's a very, very versatile build, because it's got the range and the dash. And depending on what weapons you use, I don't recommend kunai, just for the fact that, well, there are other weapons that are better. Oh. Can we finish them? Yeah, we got them. Alright, we should be able to get these two. I'll always recommend Kirin as one of the... or Kirin, or whatever you want to call it, as an ultimate for the range build. There are a few others, like tandem paper bombs, that are also really good. Tandem paper bombs are actually probably the best, but my favorite is probably not either of them, to be honest. But this poor lad just missed me with his ultimate jutsu, which was a little unfortunate for him. Oh, 1, 2, 3. We didn't have the right carry, unfortunately. At the time. Oh dear. Oh, did he get me? No, he didn't. It's the other person who's coming first now. I think I need to start taking this game a bit more seriously. So I stop talking as much. That is why. Oh. Hello. Alright. Kinda missing every shot. Ooh. That was pretty nasty. Alright. There must be a slight delay or something. It's not that I'm doing bad right now, it's just I'm noticing they're getting hit by my attack slightly after it happens. Alright, they're just gonna fly, so I'm gonna smack down Kirin. Take them both out. Oh, this guy is in a lot of trouble. Yeah, if they have a bit of health taken down, you're pretty much guaranteed a free kill if you connect all three. Alright. Okay, this healer is reading my number and kind of crushing me. Alright, I think it's fair to say we've won this one. Yeah, but that's just been a little showcase on this new, pretty much the new lightning release bullet for the new ninja tool. It's pretty damn powerful, and this is going to be my new favorite build in this game just because I'm a sucker for the lightning builds. But that is the video. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll catch you all in the next one.